Watch carefully. This liquid has its own mind. I added a drop of secret ingredient to make it colorless, but in no time, it has made its mind to revert to its original color. Keep watching to find out its secret. Here is another liquid that has its own mind. After adding 1 drop of my magical ingredient, its yellow color has faded. But look, seemingly out of nowhere, it decided to go back to its original color. What you're witnessing is not magic, it's a lesser-known version of the famous Iodine Clock reaction. It's an intriguing chemical reaction with a delayed outcome, and it's often performed as a way to illustrate chemical kinetics. In fact, one of you have requested this famous reaction. So let's get started. In a beaker with some water, we add a few drops of 10% potassium iodide and a few drops of 25% sodium thiosulfate solution. Then add an excess amount of 10% hydrogen peroxide. The exact amount is not important as long as hydrogen peroxide is in large excess. In a short time, the liquid will gradually turn yellow due to the delayed formation of elemental iodine. If you want a more dramatic change, we can take advantage of the fact that iodine forms colored complex with starch. Starting with the liquid we just made, we add a few drops of sodium thiosulfate, then a small amount of starch solution. This liquid stays perfectly clear for now. A small fruit fly, let's name him Donald, flew into my reaction mixture. In the end, this worked well because it proves the sudden dramatic color change isn't CGI. Maybe Donald wants some iodine, but he never made out of this beaker eventually. You may ask why this mixture works like magic. This is the perfect example of chemical kinetics, which is the study of the rates of chemical reactions. Hydrogen peroxide converts iodide ions into iodine, but sodium thiosulfate reacts with iodine much faster. As long as sodium thiosulfate is present, any iodine will be consumed right away, making the mixture colorless. You can see this reaction can be done with or without starch. Once the sodium thiosulfate is fully consumed, the excess hydrogen peroxide will generate more iodine, leading to a dramatic color change. You see, even if the final color change seems instant, the chemistry has been built up the whole time. If you like science, please like, share and subscribe. What experiments should I do next? Leave a comment below.